Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So I'm here with the stock which has posted its Q2 Q4 results this week. I will discuss its fundamental and buying level also for the long term along with the Q4 results analysis. So to know the name of the stock and its buying level for investment purpose, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for these kind of regular update of the Nifty and index levels and fundamentally strong stocks buying level also for the long term. So let's start video with the stock name. This stock I have selected from the banking sector. Of course, this is a private bank, and this is the component of the Nifty Bank also. So and it has actually standing on the top bank of the banking sector, and yes, name is the Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is actually steadily and slowly growing its assets, and you can see how it is improving its quarter results and how beautifully it is growing. So if I discuss the results, it has posted profit of 7130 profit in this Q4 2024, and the in last which was last year, it was 5728 loss. I guess it has posted, yes, loss in last year. So now it has come in the profit. So कभी लॉस कभी प्रॉफिट होता है, बट रिजल्ट इसका खराब नहीं है रहता है जनरली। इसका एक एवरेज रिजल्ट आता है। इसके भी पहले इसने बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट पोस्ट किया था, आई रिमेम्बर 1 year बैक। सो दिस टाइम इट हैज आल्सो पोस्टेड गुड प्रॉफिट। इफ आई विल गो टू द एनआईआई, नेट इंटरेस्ट इनकम, जो कि मेन कोर इनका जो इनकम होता है वो है 13,089। 13,000 NII has become, which was actually last year it was 11,742. From 11,742 to it has come to the 13,000, which is actually 11.5% increase in NII. Now I'll come to the important thing, which is gross NPA and net NPA. तो ग्रॉस एनपीए जो कंपनी ने पोस्ट किया है, इट हैज पोस्टेड ऑफ 15,127 का ग्रॉस एनपीए है, विच वाज एक्चुअली इन लास्ट ईयर 15,893 का ग्रॉस एनपीए था। नाउ यू विल से ग्रॉस एनपीए विल ऑलवेज डिक्रीज। ग्रॉस एनपीए शुड डिक्रीज, जो कि वी कॉल इट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स ऑफ द बैंक। तो दिस हैज नाउ बिकम 15,127 फ्रॉम द 15,893, मीन्स 4.8% का डिक्रीज हुआ है। एंड इफ यू गो टू नेट एनपीए, दिस हैज बिकम 3,247 फ्रॉम द लास्ट ईयर वाई ऑन वाई 3,527, अराउंड 27, यस, विच इज 7.9% और 8% का, लगभग 8% का डिक्रीज हुआ है। दैट आल्सो गुड न्यूज फॉर द बैंक। और if we'll compare it in percentage, तो gross NPA has become 1.43% from the last year 1.58%. Means last year it was 5.8% था, 1.58% था। Now it has become 1.43%, which is 15 bps decrease. Or net NPA has become 0.31% from the last year, which was 0.36% से 0.31% हो गया, जो कि अगेन इट इज a decrease of net NPA, which is very good news for the bank. So overall we see the result is very good, and also result is improving from the last year. And एक चीज डिविडेंड की बात करें तो डिविडेंड कंपनी हैज पेड डिविडेंड ऑफ आई गेस ₹1 पर शेयर। तो बहुत कम है। एज अभी मैं फंडामेंटल में डिस्कस कि इनका डिविडेंड यील्ड कम है, तो दे गिव वेरी लेस डिविडेंड। सो एनीवेज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बाय द स्टॉक ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ डिविडेंड। इफ इट इज गिविंग गुड डिविडेंड, वी आर गोइंग फॉर दैट, और वी आर लिविंग द स्टॉक बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज गिविंग लेस डिविडेंड। ये रीजन नहीं होना चाहिए। दिस इज नॉट any important point to buy or sell the stock, जो कि wrong है in my view. So this was a short picture of the information of the bank result. You can go through in detail with the uh, bank result in their on their website. Bank, you can study the stock in you can study the Q4 result in detail, and you can even compare this result with the last quarter also. So you should definitely go in detail for the result. Now I'll come to the second thing, which is fundamental. So fundamental, I am keeping the fact with comparison. I'm comparing this bank with the other top bank, which is HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, even Kotak Bank. तो कोटक बैंक से भी ऊपर ये बैंक आ चुका है नाउ, क्योंकि अर्लियर दिस कोटक बैंक वाज above that Axis Bank. So see the important big bank, how Axis Bank is growing. If we go for the ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, we can see the third number of market cap has become of Axis Bank. 3,48,570 crore of the market cap of Axis Bank. Now if we see the current trading price is 11:30, around it is trading at 11:30, and if we see the P, you can see the P जो कि HDFC बैंक और ICICI बैंक से भी कम है. मीन्स दिस इज वेरी वेरी गुड, दिस इज अवेलेबल ऑन वेरी वेरी गुड वैल्यूएशन. इसका वैल्यूएशन बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत ही अच्छे वैल्यूएशन पे ये स्टॉक अवेलेबल है. मीन्स अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ये रन अप नहीं किया है और बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं भागा है, तो अभी इसका वैल्यूएशन इज़ वेरी गुड. वैल्यूएशन ICICI का भी अच्छा है, इसका भी अच्छा है, बट ये अभी उससे भी कम के वैल्यूएशन पे मिल रहा है. मीन्स P इज़ वेरी गुड. नाउ विल कम टू द डिविडेंड यील्ड. जैसे अभी जस्ट आई सेड कि डिविडेंड कम देता है, तो जैसे 1 रुपए का ही पर शेयर का डिविडेंड दिया है, विच इज एक्चुअली 0.09 इज डिविडेंड यील्ड. So that I find little less. I'll go to the ROC. ROC is 7.53 and the ROE is 20.33. ROE is 20.33, which is very very similar to HDFC Bank also and the ICICI Bank का तो इससे भी कम है. Means this is top two. This is on number 2 on the ROE. See 20.33 after HDFC Bank. So return इसका is coming better than even ICICI Bank also. Return on equity is 20.33 और debt to equity is both 8.88. As I always say कि कंपनी जो है ये डेट पे ही काम करते हैं, लोन लेके ही काम करती हैं. Now this was important thing I have discussed and compare also with other top bank how good Axis Bank is growing. You can see the fact. I'm keeping the information only. You can study in detail also. It is not this is not any recommendation. This is only the study of the stock. So this is overall the picture of the Axis Bank. Or now we will discuss the buying level. So see, I have come on the chart और बहुत ही ध्यान देने के लिए I need your attention. It is very important to understand the chart also, so that you can learn how to read the chart and you can do your own analysis also. So see how I have taken the weekly chart and I'm talking about the long term only. See how it has broken this trend line. I will say today only, yes, this week only, and even today only it has broken this trend line as it has posted a good result. तो शायद उस वजह से इसमें बहुत ही अच्छी तेजी आई है और ये पूरे वीक में ही इसने बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है। और आई गेस बिकॉज ऑफ द Q4 रिजल्ट ओनली इट वाज परफॉर्मिंग गुड, एंड इवन टुडे after result it has performed very good and broken this trend line and going above that. So this I will say it is a clear cut breakout, and it was trading in this channel. You can see earlier since I guess November 23 se. November 23 say it was trading in this channel and what was not breaking this. But today after result it has broken this trend line and now going up, moving up. What can be the target that I will discuss later, but first let me discuss the level where you can go for the buy of this stock. Means you can buy this stock. This can be फर्स्ट लेवल कैन बी 1100, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हो सकता है कि ये वापस यहाँ से फिर थोड़ा रीटेस्ट करे एंड देन इट मे कम हेयर. इफ इट्स नॉट कमिंग हेयर इट विल टेक अ रेजिस्टेंस अगेन हेयर 1150, जो कि इसका ऑल टाइम हाई भी है. So it will go to all time high and it may take little bit resistance here, or if it's breaking this 1150 then it will go for the new journey of 1200 to 1300. yes, 1300 के जर्नी के लिए ये एक नई जर्नी के लिए शुरुआत कर सकता है आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 1150 which is its all time high. But before that, if it's going to 1150, I can see you can even buy it here also at 1150 also, 1100 also, even below that. Agar if it's anyhow it is breaking this trend line back again downside, you can buy it here also, which is 1050. 1050 पे भी you can buy this stock, but you should keep in mind that it should not break this 1000. Even I have drawn this line also, which is a very important support for the Axis Bank. It should not break this line, which is 1000. Keep in your mind this level, which is 1000, and which is very important support for the Axis Bank. So my level would be 1150 to 1050 will be the best price to buy this stock here. 1150 to 1050 will be the best buy price for this stock for the long term. And if it's going down, 1000 can be also a good if it's taking reversal from it, not before that. If it's taking reversal from the 1000, again it will be the good buy, but not here, not below that 1000. तो 1000 के ऊपर भी अगर आप चाहे तो खरीद सकते हो, बट फॉर मी 1050 to 1150 can be a very good buying price for the target of the 1350. yes, 1350 can be the target for I'm talking about long term. but yes, long term का means कोई 1 year या 2 year नहीं है. of course it will go above 1350 also in coming years. So I'm talking about the long term only. Buying level for the Axis Bank for long term can be 1050 to 1150, for the target of 1350, even more than that. So this was a short picture of the Axis Bank, its Q4 results, its fundamental and its buying level, which I can present. But of course you should go in detail and study the stock. I will come with the more stock which is posting its Q4 results in coming days. And of course if you have queries, you can comment me in comment box, you can DM me on Instagram and Twitter, and like and share and subscribe the channel for the Nifty and Index level and these kind of stocks buying level for the investment purpose. Signing off.